When the calculator first came out, people freaked out about it taking their jobs. Granted, we don't need to do math in our heads, but we still have to enter a formula into a calculator to get the result. ChatGPT is also a helpful tool. ChatGPT, the text-based artificial intelligence model by OpenAI, has gained huge popularity in a quick time. It had 1 million users in just 5 days of launch. The model has been trained with a lot of resources to respond to almost any kind of query. In the last few weeks, users across the world have been asking all sorts of questions to ChatGPT and posting the answers on social media. ChatGPT can write essays, solve engineering problems, and even give life advice. As you can imagine, people fear the new AI tool stealing their jobs or helping students and employees cheat. However, there's a bright side. You can make money with ChatGPT. In this video, we are going to show you how to make money with ChatGPT. Leave a comment about the AI future and your personal experience about it. Let's start. Number 1. Use it to write scripts. ChatGPT is easy to use. Type a prompt like "make an 8-minute YouTube video about the best beaches in the world" and it will spit out applicable paragraphs you can use. Many YouTubers say you can make number of dollars a month by making videos with scripts you get from ChatGPT. You don't even have to buy a microphone to record voiceovers since there are free text-to-speech programs. On top of that, you can make videos from your browser on Canva, an app you don't have to pay for. It doesn't stop there. You can use ChatGPT to write scripts for podcasts, radio shows, movies, videos, and anything else you have in mind. Number 2. Find keywords and SEO help. ChatGPT can help generate titles, find strong keywords, and create meta descriptions that attract click-throughs. Here are a few directions you can give. Suggest title ideas for Android accessories. Suggest how-to ideas for cybersecurity tools. Write an intro for a story about why people need smart homes. Summarize this article in less than 160 characters. Let's say you're having trouble deciding which keywords to use. Write something like, categorize these keywords based on search intent, followed by a list of keywords you're curious about. Then ask it to generate good SEO terms for different topics you want to write about. You can also tell ChatGPT to check your spelling and grammar since writing errors can throw off SEO. Number 3. Product descriptions. Using ChatGPT to describe products you sell will save time and money. Try something like, write a product description for a homemade chocolate melting pot. Substitute chocolate melting pot for whatever you're trying to sell, of course. You may need to add more details to create the perfect, fine-tuned description. Additional information helps create a summary that lets customers know exactly what they're going to buy. Double-check your grammar, punctuation, and spelling so this description looks professional. Number 4. Website copy. Just as ChatGPT can write scripts, it can also write blog posts. Tell it your prompt and word limit and watch as it generates a whole article for your website. Make sure to fact check it though, otherwise you might end up posting fake news stories. We recommend using ChatGPT to write technical articles that don't require much human oversight. Don't replace your freelancers with this tool. Although it can help you save money, there's no replacing human creativity, fact-checking, or problem-solving. On the other hand, this can be useful if you are a freelance writer. Are you suffering from writer's block? Use ChatGPT as a brainstorming tool. You can also use it to develop article outlines when you are stumped. Just make sure you use it to help generate ideas. Don't pass its writing off as your own. Number 5. Email messages. Writing emails can be stressful and time-consuming. Luckily, ChatGPT can make it faster and easier. Give it a clear prompt that describes what you want the email message to convey. Put in more details for the best results, but try to make your prompt as concise as possible. It's best to use the tool for a draft, then look it over and add personalized tidbits to make it less robotic and more personal. This will make life easier if you are an email marketer. You can spend less time writing messages, campaigns, and newsletters, generic strategies to drive sales. You can also look for SEO prompts. Number 6. Writing music lyrics. Song lyrics always reveal the depth of emotions, and this makes the song a hit. Writing similar lyrics is possible and you can earn money. Using ChatGPT, you may put your thoughts into words and make music lyrics. Use the 3.5 technology of GPT, the latest by ChatSonic, and see how the job market is changing AI. Number 7. Writing and selling comic books. Creating illustrations and adding a story to them requires some good writing talents. Here is something to make more earnings, and it is writing and selling comic books. It is not easy, but ChatGPT helps with illustrations and not images. However, AI technology ensures making money with ChatGPT. Write a killer intro and look for the illustration. Spend time on ChatSonic to sell your comic book on Amazon and other platforms. Number 8. Start a food recipe blog. The simplest ways of earning money with ChatGPT are to create a website and to write about recipes. If you have no cooking knowledge, check with ChatGPT for updated information on recipes. Get the latest recipes from Google data. Leverage technology using AI-generated images and offer a better reading experience. So this is the beginning of AI, and the more update is on the way. It's up to us to make the AI for our benefit and favor or have a fear to be our jobs and skills killer. As many YouTubers are claiming to earn too much money with ChatGPT or AI, it's only to gain the views. Nothing that much as shown so in our channel. We would like to inform you that your skills will pay you more than the shortcut ways. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos, stay tuned, thanks for watching.